Take a look at this video ad. I'll show you step by step how to create it easily in this video. You'll also learn how to create this ad from scratch. You'll also discover how to make an eye-catching rotating ad that stands out. Click on videos right here to get started. Select the video template that fits your needs. Click on Elements and search for a background you like. Right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background. Go to the Shape section and click on the circle shape. Change the circle's color to any shade you prefer. Resize the circle and adjust its position as needed. Go to the search bar and look for different food dishes. Hold the Shift key and click on the large dishes to select them all, then group them together. Now, move the grouped dishes to one side of the screen to create space for your design. Repeat the same method for all the remaining dishes to arrange them neatly on the design. Go to the text option and type the names of the dishes. Click here to duplicate the text. Rename the text according to the names of the dishes. Click on Position, then when the layer options appear, click on Backward. Go to the Elements tab and search for Order Now. duplicate the page by clicking on the duplicate page icon. Keep the text and background for the selected dish, and delete the background for all the other dishes. Duplicate the page to proceed with the next step. Manually move the text background to align with the next dish on the menu. Repeat the process by adjusting the text background and rotating the featured dish. Add transitions between all the clips for a smooth flow. Your ad is now complete and ready to use. Click on the Share button, then download your design. Let's dive into how you can create an ad just like this. Let's get started. Open Canva, go to the Videos section, and choose the size you prefer. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for a background that fits your design. Set the image as your background. Go to Shapes and select the square shape. Go here to change the color. Add another square shape and change the color. Go to the search bar and type light to find light effects. Go to the Positions menu and select Backward. In the search bar, type burger to find related elements. Resize the element to fit your design perfectly. Go to the search bar and type shadow to find shadow effects. Select the desired effect, resize it, and position it as needed. In the search bar, type burger text to find relevant text styles. is the final version of your advertisement. This is a rotating ad, and in this video, you'll learn step by step how to create one just like it. First, go to the video section and select the video template that best fits your needs. Go to the Elements section, search for background, and choose the one you like. Right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background. Navigate to the Shapes tab and choose a shape design that suits your layout. Select the rectangle, then click on the color icon in the top toolbar. Choose a color that suits your design preferences. Resize the rectangle by dragging its corners, then position it where it fits best within your design. Go to the Elements tab, type circle in the search bar, and press enter to find circular shapes. Go to the search bar again, type pizza, and press enter to explore pizza-related graphics and images. Select different styles of pizza graphics from the results. Choose the ones that best match your design or theme. Resize each pizza image and position it carefully so it fits well with your overall design layout and looks visually balanced. Hold the Shift key. Click to select all the pizza images. Then right-click and choose Group to combine them into a single grouped element for easier movement and alignment. Click on the circle line to select it, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Click on the rectangle to select it, then go to the color tile in the top toolbar and choose a new color from the palette, or use the color picker to match your design needs. Click on the grouped pizzas to select them. Then, go to the Animate option in the top menu. Scroll through the animation types and choose Rotate to apply the rotating effect. Click here to adjust how fast or slow the rotation happens. Drag the slider until it fits the look you want. Select the design, then drag a corner to scale up the design. Head to the search bar and type pizza to find more pizza-related elements. Click here to remove the background from the selected image. Go to Shapes and select a shape that best fits your design idea. Change the color by clicking here and selecting the shade that suits your design. Right-click on the shape, select Layers, and move it behind the pizza to keep the pizza graphic on top. Go to the search bar, type pizza text, and press enter to explore different pizza-themed text styles. Here's your final video ad ready to use.